What is the difference between source file and class file? So source file is this file, you have this file generated, not generated, like it's Java code. So basically we have the Java file here. This is extension is .java. Basically if we open it right back in Notepad, we're gonna be finding out that it's Java code. But if we try to open the main class here, which is a compiled version of our Java code, we will find that it will be nonsense, so weird here, like those are different character. We have this kind of system print stream. This is not really like readable. Why? Because it's a compiled version. This one is related to compiled bytecode, so basically you shouldn't really be able to understand it. So basically this is the difference between source file and class file.